Hello guys, welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. My name is Sarika and I'll be your host today. I would like to thank everyone who's taking time to watch my videos and those who haven't yet. We have uploaded plenty of videos to help in your career growth. So please watch them when you get time as you will benefit from it.
So today's topic is based on queries I had been receiving either on YouTube or Insta, and hence it was important for me to research and make videos regarding it. So this video is dedicated to anyone who is in the medical field. I'm covering UN Volunteers Program 2021. So let's get into details now. Let's understand about UN Volunteer Program. United Nations is a worldwide intergovernmental organization founded in 1945. United Nations is known as UN. Headquarters of UN is in New York. UN entities are working closely with national governments, community groups, the health sector, and industry to respond to the COVID crisis. UN invites to support the UN system's response as national UN volunteers. Now, in summary, UN need volunteers who can help them. So they are inviting participants for the United Nations Volunteers Program for novel coronavirus 2020. All the expenses will be covered by the United Nations. So this is fully funded, guys. The United Nations Volunteers Program is open to all the applicants from around the world for the UN paid volunteer program globally. This is one of the best opportunities to work with United Nations intern. Now, who can apply? Undergraduates, graduates, fresh students up to the age 25 years to work with the UN as a volunteer. The location can be globally or it can be within your own country. The deadline. There's no deadline as of now, but my recommendation is to apply for this as soon as possible to secure a position for yourself. Now let's get into details. Duration and joining. The duration of the United Nations volunteer program is for 3 to 12 months with possibility of extension. Starting date. Many will require candidates to be available at short notice. 1 to 2 weeks. Financial coverage. The UN Volunteer Program is a UN paid volunteer opportunity for all the participants from around the world to become a UN volunteer. It includes monthly allowance like food, housing, and basic needs, your accommodation, health and medical insurance, and return airfare if you are posted internationally. Now, the health professionals in fields like medical, say you are part of pathologists, radiologists, ICU, infection control nurses, biomedical, psychologists, and more. In terms of public health, few of the examples listed are, say you are part of public health specialist, health surveillance specialist, or other as listed here. As part of non-health professionals, say emergency and crisis management, you are working as health emergency managers or child protection specialist. Under health systems, say logisticians, health procurement specialist, health supply chain specialist. Under program management, say monitoring and evaluation specialist and reporting. Gender based violence based program specialist. Under sanitization and hygiene, say wash specialist, medical waste management specialist. And if you're part of communications and data management, say you have worked or working as communications for development specialist, information management specialist, data collection and management specialist. Stats and others, say socio-economic and health assessment specialist, economic development specialist, livelihoods, anthropologist, and sociologist. Now, who can apply? Let's see the eligibility criteria. Participants can from anywhere with any nationality can apply, and you must have work experience in the above qualification criteria which I went through now. You must be 22 years old for national UN volunteer assignments, but you should be 25 years old for international UN volunteer assignments. It says at least 25 years. Additional requirements will be described in the descriptions of assignment, which is equivalent to terms of reference, and your profile should highlight any prior experience in health-related emergencies. Now, how to apply and quick demo. To apply, you will have to visit the official website of UN, which is this, and to register or create your profile, you will have to visit this link. All the links are provided in the description below. So let's have a quick demo now. So this brings you to the official site of UN. So what you need to do is just scroll down to read through the details which I have described now. You can read through the other important notice and the details they have provided. The key bit is at the top. You are asked to register or create your account. So what you need to do is simply click this. Open this in a new tab. By default, you'll be brought to a login page, but since you're logging for the first time, so you don't have your email and password, so what you need to do is click on candidate sign up, and you can read through the details, scroll down, provide your first name, your last name, how did you hear about us, so you have options. Just click on social media. And then you have option here. I'm interested in serving as a volunteer, both national and international, international only, national only. I will click on both national and international because you will have more opportunity to be picked. Now enter this text here and click on terms and conditions. But read here at the bottom where it says, please add this email to your list of contacts or save senders before proceeding. So what I'll do is I'll copy this email ID, and before clicking on sign up, I'll open my email, I'll create here new email, and then right click on it and simply click add to contacts. Yeah, done. Click this, go back here and click on sign up. So it says to complete the registration process, click on the verification link sent to the email address you provided here. So simply go back to your email and you can see under promotions, I have received this, your UNV account. Please verify your email address. Click on it. You have option to verify by clicking here. And of course, you can read the other details later. So just click on verify email. So your email is verified. Please go back to your email account and check the message we just sent with your instructions on how to fill it. So go back to your email again. So this time it is coming in the primary folder. Click on it and there's some information for you to read through. So what you need to do is just click on this. It brings you to the same page where you had created your account. Now simply use your email ID and password to log in. So you will be brought to this page where you will have to create your profile, which is known as UNV's My Profile page. So based on information you provided before, it will bring your details like your first name, your last name, your email address. Make sure you provide the other details like email address, gender, date of birth, place of birth. Again, these are optional fields. Make sure you definitely fill the fields marked in asterisk, which are mandatory fields like nationality at the birth and the current nationality, your marital status, correspondence language, I'm willing to serve in a non-family duty, telephone number, motivation statement. So here is a catch. So let's go back here. So this is I'm on the main page of UN. So if you look at here, before they have provided which field this is applicable for, they have mentioned here if you have qualifications and experience in any of the following areas, we encourage you to register and enter COVID-19 as a keyword in your motivation statement. So make sure you copy this, and when you click on motivation statement, make sure you add this at the top or make sure you include it somewhere in your statement. It needs to be 250 characters maximum. The other mandatory field is your current address, your academic qualifications, your language, driving license, professional experiences. If UNV can contact your present employer, that's it. And this field which says professional references, minimum 1, maximum 3. Even though this is not mandatory, I highly recommend you to include it. The more the better. So make sure you add 3 if you can. And just click on tick box and submit your profile. And your application will be complete. The other thing which you can take advantage is of FAQ. Simply click on FAQ here and you can go through the different questions which is already answered here. Status of your profile. Once you submit your application, your status will be active, where you can reset your password, how does the recruitment process work, how long does it take to be deployed as UN volunteer, how long is your assignments, can I choose a duty station or host country where I want to serve.
So that brings me to the end of the video. If you liked my today's video, kindly like and share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular alerts when new videos are published. Thanks for watching till the end, and I will see you soon with my next video. Keep learning.